Hi, it's Keith from Cloud Design Box. Welcome to the video. In this session, we're going to take a look at the 4 activities that are available to students in Reflect in Microsoft Teams. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get over into Teams. Here we are in Teams. We're in the student view, so we're logged in today as Susan. We're in the general channel and we need to go into Reflect. If there's any outstanding Reflect check-ins for Susan to do, they'll be displayed. However, they're all completed and all we need to look at now is the 4 activities that are available to her. Microsoft have created these to help promote mental fitness and refresh the mind and to help refocus students while doing their work. There's 4 activities to choose from. We've got to take a breath, a stretch break, the colouring book and also a memory game as well. Beneath each activity, there's a short description of what's involved and also whether it's a video or a game and roughly how long each activity is going to take. So let's start off with the breathing break. All the student needs to do is just click on it. That will automatically open. At the top of the screen here, the student gets the option of being able to toggle the sound on and off. And once it's clicked on, the activity will start. So as we can see, this is the breathing break and all Susan needs to do is just follow along with the emotions monster here. Gives her a little countdown as to how she's getting on, and also at any time if Susan just clicks on the screen, that will also pause the session. And that is now the breathing session completed. Just click on the X to close the session and that takes us back to the start. There's also a stretch break as well. That takes 2 minutes, a little bit more physical this time. And again, we can opt for the sound to be on or off. And all Susan needs to do is just click on the play button. And again, anytime during this session, all Susan needs to do is click on screen. That will pause it. She can restart it. She can toggle the sound on and off as well. And again, once the session is completed, click the X and that takes us out. The next one to look at is the colouring book. Again, it's classed as a game, this one, about 5 minutes. We open it up and once it's open, the student gets a number of pictures based around feelings. So for example, are they feeling optimistic? Are they feeling stuck or sad, energised or excited? So today we're feeling quite peaceful. Select that picture. And once that picture is chosen, you get a colour palette to choose from. I'm going to start off with colouring the sky. I'm going to choose the colour off the palette and then just click on the picture. And then the student can then continue to fill in the picture. And then once they're done, all they need to do then is click on I'm done. You get a brief animation and also a bit of text for them to reflect on. They can save the picture by downloading it, or again, they can either continue to colour, or they can then just try another picture and reopen up the options here. Once they're finished, I just close the screen. Next one to choose from is a memory game. And all they're doing is clicking over the cards. And the idea is then just to find a match. And when the final 2 cards are turned over, again, we get a little celebration on there. And also it tells the student how many moves it took. In this case, it was 53. And they get the option to play again. The 4 activities in Reflect is just a really nice way of students being able to take a little bit of time out for themselves. If you found this video useful, hit the like button. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And once you're subscribed, if you hit the activity bell, you'll be notified every time Cloud Design Box uploads a new video. Thanks for watching.